Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps with the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is some really cool compression packing cubes. These were sent over by a company called EPICKA, and they're absolutely perfect for travel. So I have been using packing cubes for quite some time now, and they're absolutely a perfect way to stay organized when you are traveling. So you can put in your your underwear in one, you can put your shirts in another, you can put your pants in another, or your dress clothes. And so that way you know exactly what to grab, your PJs. It makes it very easy to organize your suitcase and makes it very easy to remove things. Now, what makes this set very unique is the fact that it has the compression aspect. So that's going to almost increase your luggage capacity by almost 50%, 50 to 60%. And how it's doing that is when you fill up your items, you press down on it, and then there's a secondary zipper that you're going to go ahead and zip close, and it's going to keep that extra air out of it, so that way you can pack more stuff in either a smaller suitcase, or you can have your normal size suitcase and you have room for basically adding things if you are traveling and whatnot. So this set's gonna come in two different colors. You're gonna get a dark gray kind of slate look to it, and then you're also going to get a beige set. Now, to show you how compact it is, on the gray one right here, you'll notice this has all of the bags in it. So there is 4 bags in here, or there's really 3. You got the mediums and the large, and then it is a bag itself. So each bag, let's go over them. First, you're gonna get a single small bag. This is 8.2 by 3.9 by 7 inches. They all are gonna have a handle, which makes them easy to move in and out. Then you are going to get 2 medium-sized bags. So the medium-sized bags are your bread and your butter. You're gonna use those for your shirts, your jeans. The smaller ones are what you're going to be utilizing for kind of your underwear, your socks, etc. But the medium bags is what you're gonna use most of, which is why they include 2 of those. And then they're gonna include a large size bag. Now, the large size bag is 17.7 inches by 3.9 inches and 12.9 inches. So this size is designed for your sweatshirts, your shorts, once again, your jeans, but your bigger, bulkier clothing makes it easier. If you have any nice dresses or anything like that, you could put this in here so that way it's nice and flat. And then once you get to your location, you can hang those up if you wish. Now, the bags materials themselves are all made out of an ultra lightweight nylon material. And it's also water resistant. So why I'm mentioning that is if you have things like, let's say a wet swimsuit, you can put them in here and they're not gonna basically get everything all wet. Or if you take them to like the beach, you can put in some of your beach clothing in here, and the nylon material is super easy to wipe off so it doesn't get stuck with sand and all that kind of stuff, which is really nice. Now, as far as the zippers, you're gonna have 2 main zippers with the long tags on it. So it is dual zippered. It's strong, nice, easy to open and close zippers. You can attach it from either way. Then the compression side, which is what gets you that depth of the 3.9, when you undo that, you're gonna go ahead and put on your clothes in there, and you're gonna squeeze it, and then you're gonna pull on the other zipper and basically turn it into that compact mode. And then you can toss this in your luggage and you're good to go. And then obviously when you're not utilizing it, you can all pack it up into the small bag. You can basically put this in your suitcase, hang it up in your closet, and you utilize it wherever you want because it doesn't take up much room at all. So overall, it is a lifesaver as far as packing. You're going to boost your packing abilities. You're going to basically increase your space. Very easy to use, great way to stay organized. And for all those reasons, I do highly recommend checking this out before your next planned trip. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.